friends, Ryan here with Ryan's Candles and Crafts, and welcome to a Diamond Art Club haul video. And this is take 3. There's another video that I just did, and that was also take 3. I did the first video, didn't like it. I did the second video, there was issues with the sound. So here we are doing this again. But I'm learning a lot when it comes to... I've done YouTube for a while, at least when it comes to the gaming stuff, and this is something different, but still technical issues happen, things happen, and you're not able to get stuff out when you want to, and you just learn from those mistakes, you learn from what's going on and what's happening, and you correct it going forward, right? This microphone I've had for a really long time. The cable for it is a little worn out, but also the microphone isn't in the best spot. So hopefully we'll get it changed around here soon. It's a whole ordeal to do, but anyway, that's not why you're here. You're here to see what I got from the Diamond Art Club. I went overboard. Totally went overboard. And I ordered so much. But you know what? I don't care. It's fine. It's fine. It's totally fine. My wallet doesn't say it's fine, but it's fine. I gotta say that I really, truly love this community. I had a couple things in my cart a few weeks back, and 2 days before I got paid, this first one sold out, and I was so bummed because I really, really wanted it. I'm a dog lover. I love Christmas. So this first one, I was so bummed that I couldn't get. And someone on the Facebook group reached out and said, hey, I might have an extra. So she went home, she looked, she had an extra. And I was so thankful and so happy that she was able to send this to me. So thank you so much. I really appreciate it. This one is called Watching Santa Go, and it's by Marcelo Corti. And it's so pretty. Like, you can see the dog having his paw on the shoulder of the other dog, and you got Santa flying away, and it just warms my heart, right? I love dogs so much. I've got 2 boys of my own. They're both golden doodles. I'll see if I can't get a picture up top somewhere. But they're absolutely fantastic. They're sitting over on the couch right now. We'll introduce you at some point in time, probably. But with this one, I don't know. I don't know that there's necessarily going to be a story that goes on with this one. I think it's more just going to be maybe it's a live stream that we do or something. I don't know. I'll figure something out. But I think this one's really cool. It's 22 inches by 33 inches. It has 61 colors and 4 ABs. So there's no fairy dust diamonds that go along with this one, which isn't a bad thing. And it's got 75,264 diamonds. So it's not one of the biggest ones that I have, right? But it's a good size one. So this will give us something to do either this winter or next winter. I don't know. We'll see when we can get to this one. Okay, so speaking of dogs, in my cart, I had to get this one. It's a golden doodle. I have 2 golden doodles myself, so I had to get this one. My thought process with this one is going to be, I want to talk about my boys. I want to talk about the joy that they bring to my life. I want to talk about when we got them, when my husband and I went and picked up Oliver. Charlie is actually staring at me and smiling right now. When we picked up Oliver, when we picked up Charlie, how these 2 have changed my life so much. I don't know what I would do without these 2 dogs. I really don't. And a golden doodle has such an amazing personality. And if you've ever had one, good for you. If you've not had one and you've wanted one and you've wondered, are they worth it? Yes, they are. They're high maintenance. Absolutely, they are high maintenance dogs. But they are fantastic. They are the most loving, the most caring. If I keep talking like this, I'm going to start crying. So anyway, we're going to dive into the journey that I've had so far in the last 7 years with these boys. Well, 7 years for one, 5 years with another. But with this, So it's Gladys, the Golden Doodle. It's either Gladys or Gladys, one of those two, by Peggy Collins. It's 22 inches by 33 inches, and this is actually a round one, round diamonds, which I think is going to be interesting. I gotta stop saying so much. I gotta stop myself from doing that. It drives me nuts when I do it. This has 61 colors, 3 ABs, and 2 fairy dust diamonds, with a total of 61,408 diamonds. So not nearly as much as some of the other ones that we've already looked at, but it's still a good one to do. It's going to be a really good one to do. I actually have a couple weeks of vacation coming off here coming up in November of 2025. So if you're watching this beforehand, obviously, you know, great. But I'm hoping to work on this during that time. Now, if you want to make sure that you get notified on when we upload videos, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell down below to get notified on when we upload videos. Videos will be uploaded 2-3 times a week, and so be on the lookout for those. There's a couple ways that you can help support the channel. In the description below, there's a couple of links. There's a PayPal link that you can go to help give the channel a tip. Any tips are greatly appreciated. Really appreciate that. All through PayPal. PayPal is very safe. The other thing that you can do is there's also a Patreon page as well. So we've got some stuff coming up here later on in the video with the Spangler, the Randle Spangler paintings. I need to make sure I said that right. And I have a couple of ideas of what I want to do with those paintings, but I might need your help with those. And in order to know kind of where my thought process is with that, take a look at the Patreon page that we have and sign up for one of those tiers. A couple of those tiers we've got, you can do, there's exclusive polls that are going to be available. We have insights as to what's going on and what's happening that will be available. You will have early access to videos. You will have an opportunity on one of the tiers to give input on storylines, whether it be storyline, character development, a whole bunch of that kind of stuff. And then there's also another tier that allows you to become a voice of a character in one of the stories that I create. So go ahead and take a look at that and let me know what you think. Okay, so here we have this one. This is called Fisher Gal. And Fisher Gal operates on her motorbike, takes her dog with her. As you can see, we have a little bit of a theme today, dogs. Granted, title of the video, Dogs, Wonder Woman, and Randle Spangler. Anyway, so with this one, this is going to be a story by itself. And when I looked at this one, I was like, okay, what can we do with this one? There's something that we can do. So it looks like that she is kind of making her way around town and using her bike, doing deliveries, has her dog going with her and everything. So there's something there. Again, haven't fully developed anything in my head yet, but trying to. Like I'm trying to focus on a bunch of other stories right now. So with this one, it'll come to me, but I don't know. I don't know yet. But I'm excited to do this one. I really am. So it is 22 by 29 inches. It is by Ivy Dolomore. It is 54 colors with 2 ABs. And that's it. 64,532 diamonds. So this one will be kind of fun. And look, I know my eyes are all over the place and everything. Like I'm looking at myself here. I'm trying to make sure I look at the camera to make sure I'm looking at you, right? I'm all over the place. I'm just doing a lot of things. Anyway, as you can see, we have Wonder Woman here. So this is actually WW84. So Wonder Woman 84. I had to get this one because my husband loves Wonder Woman. And what I want to do with this one is what we haven't done yet, but I already have Bella Notte, which is from Lady and the Tramp, in the wings and waiting. And what I'm doing with that one is going into kind of the history of the movie itself. And I'm going to talk through some of the Disney stuff that goes along with it. And we're going to talk about some other things with that. So I think we're going to do kind of the same thing here with Wonder Woman is each episode is going to be about the different parts of the history of Wonder Woman, where she came from, how she came to be. I guess it's kind of the same thing. Talking about the current Wonder Woman movies that happened with Gal Gadot, but then also going back to the Linda Carter days and talking about the 70s show that happened, which I absolutely love, by the way. My husband, again, huge fan of Wonder Woman. That's why I got this one, was really to do for him. And he loves Wonder Woman. And he got me, I already said that, he got me into the Linda Carter version, which I had never seen before. And I was like, okay, this is pretty cool. Like, even though it's from the 70s, they did a pretty good job back then. I mean, they, they had their own little tricks and stuff like that, right? But, I thoroughly enjoyed it. So I hope that you enjoy what I'm going to bring to the table with this one. With this one, it's 20 by 30 inches, and it's 67 colors with 4 ABs. Been having a little trouble with some ABs lately. 60,501 diamonds. And I also really like this too. I think it's really cool because of the rainbow that's all around it and everything as well. All right, these next 3 are probably what a lot of you are looking forward to seeing, okay? I will be doing some unboxings of these here soon because I myself cannot wait to see them. I have actually been dying to do this, but I wanted to get this video out first, and then I'm going to dive into doing some unboxings with this. So this one by Randle Spangler is Some Enchanted Evening. So I already have the autumn one. This one, I got it because I had to. I got it because I got a notification saying that it was low stock. And I said, oh, I need to jump on that. Like, I need to get this now. I was not going to miss out on this. I was not going to have to wait for a restock to happen. So I jumped on it. The other 2 that I'm going to show you, jumped on those because they came back in stock. And I'm like, I have to get them now. Like, there's no question about it. Like, I don't want to sit here and just wait and wait and wait. And then all of a sudden they're back out of stock again and then have to wait again. Like, I'm not doing that. So I just got them. I had to, right? This is how Diamond Art Club gets you. It's how they get you. I'm not going to complain, though. I'm not going to complain at all. Anyway, so for this one and the other 2 houses that we're going to be looking at, still contemplating on what we're going to do with them. I have an idea of what I'm going to do with this one and the other house. And then we'll talk about the last one here too. But for this one, I'm not going to give anything away, but I have ideas. For this one here, it's 27.6 inches by 46.5 inches. If you have an idea of what I'm thinking, put it in the comment section down below. Curious to know what you think. What would you do? This has 51 colors with 5 ABs. So not a lot of, no frosted diamonds in this one or the previous one. Curious. Very curious, but I think this one's absolutely fantastic. I'm really excited to do this one. It's big, but that's okay. It's going to be a lot of fun. All right, here we go with Home is Where the Magic Is. Winter time is my favorite time. I love the lights and the snow and just the crispness of everything, and I just think it's absolutely gorgeous. That's why I had to get this one. Again, with the previous one and this one, I have ideas on what I want to do. I just got to get there. I just got to get there with all these other things that I have. But I'll tell you what, though, I'm getting a lot faster. I'm getting a lot faster at what I can do with these diamond art paintings, for sure. So for this one, 25.6 inches by 42.1 inches. I don't know if I said the diamond count on the last one. Diamond count on the last one was 129,636. Okay. With this one is 58 colors, 3 ABs, 1 frosted diamond. I'm sorry, 1 fairy dust diamond. This is 111,969. So it's a big one. It's pretty big. Don't know what I'm going to do with all these when I'm done with them, but we're going to do something. Maybe. I don't know. Haven't figured that out yet. I don't have a lot of wall space down here, as you can see behind me. But, yeah, we'll figure something out. What do you do with your diamond paintings? Let me know in the comment section down below. All right, before we get on to the last one here, I do want to mention that we do make our own candles here at Ryan's Candles and Crafts. That's why it's called Candles and Crafts. And we have right now 100% soy candles is what we use. We're going to be doing a little bit of formulating with some coconut soy. I'm going to dip my hands in that, and we'll bring that to the channel here too. But for now, why don't you go ahead and click on that link in the description down below. Sign up for the email list, and you'll get 10% off your first order. And then you'll start getting some codes for some special offers thereafter. What was I going to say? I just lost my train of thought. rptcandlecompany.com is the website. I appreciate all of the support that you give through the channel, through the business of the candles and everything. Like I said, they're 100% soy wax right now. They are fantastic. My friends, my family, all of them love them. And even the people who have bought them off the street have also given me some pretty good reviews too. Okay, last but not least is the Snow Castle. I don't know what I was thinking with this one. The only thing that I was thinking was I have to have it. It's Randle Spangler. I have to have it. There's 2 other houses that I still need to get to. I'm waiting for those to come back in stock. But I had to get this one. And the reason being is because it is gorgeous. It's absolutely beautiful. And I've seen a couple of people post in the Facebook group their completed paintings of this. It's stunning. It's absolutely stunning. This is one we're probably going to end up doing like live feeds on and doing together online and just talking. Probably because this one's big. And when I say big, it's 22 inches by 78 inches. Perspective. 72 inches is 6 feet tall. So 78 inches is 6.5 feet tall. This is big. It's bigger than me. I'm 5'11". So it's taller than I am. It's crazy. Crazy. But with this one, 60 colors. Like, that's really big and it only has 60 colors. 3 ABs and 2 fairy dust diamonds. I'm so excited for this one. I'm really excited for this one. It just gleams and glistens and it's just so pretty. I don't know. Let me know in the description down below if you've done this one. If you have done this one, how long did it take you to get it done? I'm real curious to hear that. Okay. Phew. That was a lot. That was a lot. That was 7 paintings that I got from that haul. And there were 6 in the other video that has come out too. So it's a lot, but it's okay. I've got plenty of work to do for the next year, 2 years. I have a lot. But you know what? That's all right. The thing that I love about this craft the most is how creative you can be with it. And I'm really enjoying coming up with stories and different ways and ideas of how we can tie things into these diamond art paintings and everything. I'm just really excited for it. I really am. And I hope you guys are too. And I really hope that you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to get notified on when we upload videos. That's all I have for you guys today. So until next time, light a candle, pour a coffee, and let's keep crafting.